Hi, my name's John. I'm from Canada and I'm on a Holland America cruise on the new Staten Dam, and we're stopped at Curaçao in Willemstad. There's a new little mangrove park that's been created just adjacent to the cruise port. It's an easy little walk through the mangroves on a boardwalk. It's worth a stop. It's $10 to get in. And if you have an hour that you want to spend just relaxing in Curaçao after you've seen Willemstad or come back from an excursion, it's well worth the trip. Very relaxing. A nice little nature reserve, really close to the cruise port.